adopt very old mythological beliefs about 7 heavens and 7 earths. There is no such thing. But maybe we will find this out in future. Maybe we will dig so far in future that we will land in the next earth. And then we will say 1,800 years ago the Quran predicted this. By the way,
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another amazing episode of Debunking the Islamophobes. This time I am going to tell you how big fool this apostate prophet is. This man even don't do his own homework before doing propaganda against the truth of Islam. And all the googly Islamophobe of his viewers on YouTube, they used to clap that we got apostate prophet. And how foolish this man is, today I will prove that. So he quote about the Quran 67.3, which that says that we have seven heavens, and all these zillions and zillions of galaxies are within the first heaven. What we can see above, this is within the first heaven, and we have 7 heavens. How do I know? Because it's mentioned in the Quran. Likewise, we have 7 atmospheric layers. Allah wants 7, that's why there are 7. And there are 7 earth-like planets. It's in the Quran 65.12. So he's laughing that we don't after 1,800 years after the revelation of Quran, the Muslim of that time will say that, see, the NASA has discovered, the astronomers have discovered 7 Earth-like planets. Ignorant apostate prophet, do you know that today the NASA has found 7 Earth-like planets within our universe that are few hundred light years away from our Earth. So do your research, man. It's not 1,800 years after revelation, means 400 years after, it's today. So you are doing a propaganda on mode 2 without doing your homework. So better do your homework next time before taking the truth of Islam. Whatever is written in the Quran is final, that your mind can't think today. So we have 7 heavens, all the universe, all with zillions and zillions of galaxies are within the first heaven. And how do I know? Because it's mentioned in the Quran, that's all. I know that the creator, our creator, knows all the things. And today's astronomers, they are doing a struggle to find all the facts. They are doing their own jihad, the astronomers, to find the facts. And our creator is all-knowing of the past, present and future, and is all-knowing what is within this first heaven and 7 heaven and beyond that you can't understand. So your point was that Quran says about the 7 earth, and it's discovered by NASA today, not after 400 years. That you are trying to be over smart. And Islamophobes read the Quran, and Quran can never be wrong because it's from our creator. Remember?
Exciting news to share now. NASA has made an amazing discovery in outer space.
They have found 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a dwarf star near our solar system. Scientists say it's the closest they've come to locating another planet in the universe that's capable of sustaining life.
3 of these planets, marked in green, are in the habitable zone where liquid water can pool on the surface. In fact, with the right atmospheric conditions, there could be water on any of these planets. The discovery gives us a hint that finding a second Earth is not just a matter of if, but when.
Mike Massimino is a former NASA astronaut and author of the book Spaceman: An Astronaut's Unlikely Journey to Unlock the Secrets of the Universe, and he is here with us now. So, Mike, how close are these planets really?
To us?
Yes, because we want to study them, right?
Well, yes, we see, like, the neighborhood's kind of big. Right? So these things, I think, are like you can actually physically go to now. But certainly it's a very exciting discovery because we've wondered if there's another place out there that could have life on it. Is there another option to a planet like Earth somewhere. And there's billions, literally billions of possibilities. And now we have the technology to be able to hone in on a few of these and study them a little bit closer. They've identified them, and now they're going to study them closer to see what they're really made of.
Well, I think that's the point you just made, is everyone wants to know, are there aliens out there? Is
Yes.
there other life? So do we know anything about the terrain or the atmosphere? Do we think it could...
And then we will say 1,800 years ago, the Quran predicted.